It's day 5th of continuous mad pagal barish in Mumbai. एंड 5 days से सूर्य नारायण ने तो दर्शन नहीं दिए बिल्कुल भी. एंड इट्स डार्क लाइक एनीथिंग. आफ्टरनून है पर बाहर देखो तो ऐसे लगता है कि ऑलरेडी रात हो चुकी है और बहुत तेज़ हवा आ रही है. एनीवे, आई जस्ट थॉट दैट ऑन दिस ब्यूटिफुल लेजी डे आई एम back to reading book, and the book I'm reading is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I had first read this book in 2013 और 14 और बुक पढ़ी थी और ऐसे दिमाग के एक एक ओपन हो रहे थे, एक एक शेल्व्स ओपन हो रहे थे. ओ माय गॉड ऐसी वाले आहा मोमेंट्स, बलबॉर्न मोमेंट्स आ रहे थे. और ये बुक मैंने पढ़ी, उसके बाद फिर से पढ़ी. एवरी टाइम आई रेड द बुक समथिंग न्यू ओपनड अप फॉर मी. देन वंस आई वाज आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इन वन ऑफ माय एंजेलिक हीलिंग क्लासेस वे बैक इन 2016 और 17. और मुझे कोई स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला, अश्विनी कैन यू प्लीज़ टीच अस दिस बुक. आई वाज लाइक, टीच क्या है भाई, पढ़नी है, जस्ट रीड द बुक. दे सेड नो, कैन यू टीच अस. एंड आई वाज लाइक, just buy the book and read it. Then the student bought that book, and a few days later she told me, Ashwini, can you take a workshop based on this book? And I was like, book pe based workshop, okay, let me try. And I actually took the book, I read it once again, और उसका मैंने पूरा workshop बनाया 2017 में, which turned out to be like amazing workshop. Students were like mind blown, like I said, जो मेरा हाल हुआ था. Aha moments, bulb-on moments. A lot of people just started changing the way they used to think. ये बहुत हो गया. I don't know why after that I did not take the workshop. That workshop was attended by some 12-13 people. And उसके बाद obviously बाकी other workshops took over. And once again I started reading this book on my Kindle. And again, while talking to a client last week, I was talking to a client and I told her that, you should read this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and change your thinking completely. Because तुम जब ये बुक पढ़ोगे ना, तुम्हारी आधी चीज़ें जो मैं तुम्हें बोल रही हूँ, it will start making more sense. And she said, okay, she started reading the book and then she wrote to me saying that, Ashwini, thank you so much for making me read this book. And I realized that, wow, I have taken a workshop on this. Maybe it's time to take the workshop again. So, what if this workshop can be a major contribution to your life? So, in this rainy, wet and crazy weather, मैं book पढ़ रही हूँ. I finished reading chapter 1. I finished also shooting the videos for chapter 1. And now I am ready to begin with chapter 2. For all of you who are, if you are feeling that I want to change my life, पर क्या करूँ, बुक पढ़ने को टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, attend this workshop. Because this workshop में I am going to teach you all the key things in this book which you need to apply to your life. So if you want to know more, if you want to register, just connect to me and I would love to have you for the workshop. So what are you waiting for? Just join. And if you are a part of my Silver 100 Women's group, you have some special offers for this workshop. So you're not going to miss it. Let's read it. Let's have a great day. See you.